8th of January, and I've finished the little cardigan I was making for Sienna. It's Sirdar and it's 1929. So Sirdar 1929, and it fits from birth to 7 years. That's what it is there, and I did the long sleeve version, and because Sienna has only got a 19-inch chest, so she comes out at the size of a 2 to 3 year old. So I did the 2 to 3 year old sizing, but I then did the 4 year old length in sleeves. So I measured her arms and realised that she's got really long arms, so I did extra lengthening the arms when I knitted it up. But yeah, it went really well. That's the finish article, so I'm really happy with that. I did it in, as you can see, in a plain colour. They suggested Snuggly Baby Crofter DK, and I went for the, where is it? And I went for this I got from the pound shop. It's a sparkling essential sparkle, and that's DK weight. And so basically it was quite an easy knit because it's just stocking stitch on the arms. It's stocking stitch up to here on the chest, and then you're doing 2 times 2 rib. So that's 2 knit 2 purl all the way long rib there. Standard 1 times rib at the bottom. And then, so that went well together. I got these lovely little buttons on. I don't know if you can tell, but they're actually a little grey pussycat playing with a ball of wool. So they look really cute on there. And then my daughter-in-law said she quite liked the lacy bit I did on the other grandchild's jumper. So I've done, with the crochet hook, I've gone round once in double crochet, and then I've done a 4-chain loop all the way around to give it that little decorative bit. And I've done that on the sleeves as well, and also all the way along the bottom to give it that little decorative bit. And that's turned out really well. So obviously I haven't tried it on her, but it should fit easy. And if I do get some pictures, I'll put them on, but what with lockdown, I don't know when I'll be able to get it to her, so I probably won't have pictures of her in it in time for the video to go up. So, but yeah, I was really chuffed with that, and it looks lovely in this colour, and it come together really well. So I'm pleased with that. It was on size 4 needles, so it come up pretty quick. And like I say, when you're doing that stocking stitch on the arms and this bottom bit, apart from the shaping, you can sit in front of the telly and do it, and you know, you don't need to keep looking at the pattern that much. But the worst bit was stitching it all together. I'm not a lover of stitching it together, and I'm still not sure if I got the technique right. I just go over like that, but tell me if I'm doing it wrong, because I don't know, it is quite lumpy there. But that's my I'm not very proficient in that, but otherwise I'm really happy with it. It went really well, and it looks really pretty. So that's done, and now I've got to finish off the one I'm doing for my other granddaughter, which is, get a picture up, which is that one. That's what I'm doing, and that's got, as you can see, that's got cable going up here, and I've done the back. I've done one side. There you can see all the cable going up there. that's one side and that's the other side. So I've just got to carry on up there. Once I get to there, it will be really quick because the rest is, the sleeves are all stocking stitch. I've already done the back, so and then it's just the bits around the edge. So that was the back, and it's in number 5 needles, 5mm needles, so it's quite quick. And this is Aran, so yeah, it goes together. It comes up pretty quick. So yeah, it's just these bits are really fiddly with these cable and then these knots in there. You can see that's a bit fiddly, but once I get past that bit it should be plain sailing. So I look forward to finishing that soon, and then I think that's it for now, and then I'll think of some more projects. I'm thinking of doing a I've seen on the internet, but there's no pattern for it, but someone was wearing a face mask, a crocheted face mask, but it had a big band, like a hairband bit, that went round the back, so that you could use it as a face mask, or you could pull it down and it's just like a little smooth thing round your neck, scarf. So I thought that might be quite handy for when we go on our walks, because this morning we usually go about 7:30 in the morning. We go for a walk for an hour just up the local pathway near Wadston Manor where we live, and we just walk up and down there, and me and my 2 daughters, I might put a bit of footage in at the end of us on our walk, but yeah, so I think a nice snooze stroke face mask would keep my face warm, because it does get rather frosty out there. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll put a bit of our walk at the end here, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now. Come on in. Go on, friends. There we go. Come on in. We can do a quick turn around with us. I can always cut it.